Hello friends, this is Dr. Satyatipati. This demonstration video is a part of lecture series on Fortran programming language using code blocks. In this video, I'll give a hands-on on the program structure, how to print a statement using Fortran programming language. Let's start. First, open code blocks, then write program, then space program name. This is my first program, so I'll give the name first, then enter. So within program and end program we are going to write our set of logics. Okay, so if you want to use a comment at any moment of time, you can press exclamatory symbol, you can use it and you can write a comment and it will not be executed. So this is my start of the program. So whatever you write after exclamatory symbol, it will not be executed during the program. Okay, so at here I'll write end of the program. Next, so I'll put a comment here, my first program to print a statement. So to print a statement we need the syntax print print star comma. This is the syntax, then apostrophe symbol. So here within apostrophe symbol we are going to write our statement. So this is my first program. So this is output. So let me write exclamatory symbol output. So let me compile this program. So for compilation use this build symbol. You can see that there are no zero errors, zero warning. So let's run it. So you can see in the output window, this is my first program is printed, and this completes the how to write a statement in Fortran. So thank you for watching this video.